Hi everybody, I just thought I'll go over my weekly setups from last week, which is on a reversal on both gold and 30-year bond futures. So we'll just to go over the divergence reversal setup I call on Twitter. I mentioned it on Twitter and followed up on it throughout the week. We made a bottom here on October 24th, and we bounced back up in an 1 2 3 or ABC corrective pattern, and we dropped down to retest that low for a possible double bottom. As we can notice, there's a divergence in the CCI here with a very strong possible reversal, while price is momentum didn't go down as much as price did. So any update of that area for anticipating a possible double bottom with a divergence, and the stochastic RSI is oversold. It's a very high probability reversal pattern that can occur on any time frame. Obviously, this is a daily chart of ZB, which is a 30-year bond futures. So we closed that bar high after rejecting and making a higher low on this daily chart. And if you zoomed in on a 120 or possible 240 minutes, I'd get less data here. Yeah, this is the area we're talking about, where the market reversed off and made a higher low off this low previously. And this is where you or someone can go long in this area, and then wait, or you can wait for better confirmation for the high of 120 to be taken out to confirm that reversal bar, with a stop obviously below the low. But if you're looking at a intraday time frames or smaller time frames, you can move your stop lower, have a much tighter stop compared to the full stop. But just to keep things simple, this is a daily chart. We're trading the daily chart. We go long above 120 with a stop under 118, and we start trailing that stop below the low day by day basis. So the moment we went long here at 120, we closed above. We closed here at 120.10. The previous bar high was 120.01, and then the CPI report came out and zoomed up, and this market went from 120 to 124. So it's a very high risk reward. Initial risk would be 2 points to make 6 points, or 4 points, sorry, that's 2 to 1 or 2R. But having a stop moved from a previous day to 119, it'll make it over 3R trade on a daily chart. So this was a very profitable trade and high probability reversal pattern. I thought I'd share it for educational reasons, and to keep an eye on those patterns as well as we come along. The same pattern occurred also on the gold futures, and let's switch to gold and see how this pattern played out. It's a similar pattern. It's a reversal pattern, but gold, if we go to a weekly chart, we have the same pattern on a weekly chart. As you can see, there's divergence here, and we have a triple bottom on gold, and this is very strong for possibility reversal setup. The actual confirmation was a close below this pennant, or this down trend line. So that close on a Friday was pretty strong, and after such a huge up day, markets usually pulls back with very shallow pullback just to digest and bring more buyers in. And then the CPI as well came in on the day of the 8th of November and pushed gold higher towards new highs. So that was a very strong reversal. So you could have one could have gone long on a retest of that trend line. If you were watching it closer, there would have been more. Could have been above this previous this low high, just but it wasn't really confirmed the setup at that point. This long green bar was the confirmation, and the market is rallying from here. Expecting this rally to, based on a weekly chart, to test the 1825 and possibly start heading higher. Obviously, we're going to have a pullbacks along the way, but this is where I see gold heading in sense of a longer term after triple bottom reversal confirmed the past couple of weeks. So I thought I'll just go over these. All these setups were called in real time last week on my tweets. I tweeted about that reversal and the bonds reversal. I was talking it before it actually happened, and everything played out as planned based on those reversal and divergences we have on a weekly and a daily chart as well. We were oversold on stochastic RSI with a divergence on CCI with a trend line break and the reversal divergence between price and momentum, and we started moving higher of those levels. This is only for educational purposes. I hope it adds value to your trading. Just things to keep in mind, how you watch and look at markets and find those patterns within those markets. Same thing, the video I did a video on the S&P reversal on October 16th. This played out as well, a very powerful reversal. All the market reversed that day, and we're still heading to new highs. It reversed from 3600, the S&P. Loading up the chart now, and we'll wait for them. We made a new highs since 2-3 weeks ago with the CPI numbers, and this was the same reversal pattern discussed for in the bonds. This is the S&P where the bottom was made, and we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. This market still looks strong. I expect the S&P to go higher from here. Anything could happen, but this is a very bullish. We cleared the 200, the 50 and 200 moving average, and we closed above it on a 1040 or a daily chart, 1040 minutes, and expect this market to, we can find resistance here around 4,000, 4,100 area, maybe 4050, but if we clear this zone here, we should be testing the 4175, 4200 area. Okay, this is just a recap and my thoughts about the markets after last week's reversal. I hope you find it useful and enjoy and have a great day. All the best, good luck in your trading, and good luck. Take care.